I'm Earle from OES Systems, a small business based in Ipswich, Queensland. We decided to start using the Bosch Remote Portal mainly because of its ease of use. We can seamlessly remotely control and connect to all of our cameras that we've deployed. We can modify, change, view, share, take sharing content back from customers, give them to new customers, help customers manage who sees what camera, all within the remote portal programming. So to be able to remotely control customers' needs without anybody having to leave the office is a huge plus, especially when customers are out of state or your system's thousands of kilometers away.